What's up? What's going on? Just wanted to reach out and inspire some people. Whoever's going to be watching this information. This information is pretty much success on how I was able to pull money out the market today. How I'm able to pull money out the market every day. Without even thinking about it, because it's pretty much comes supernatural. Just like go working at your 9 to 5 every day. You tend to do things, automatically. In your subconsciously, you're doing things at your 9 to 5 that you don't even normally think that you're doing. Don't even know what you're doing. So it's the same thing as trading. Trading is created. What we do at Trade Junkies Investment Group is we show you how to use infinite banking by trading Forex, trading stocks, trading binary, whatever you want to generate extra income. But then we show you how to actually pour it into something else that's going to generate you more income. So your money is making money for yourself, making passive income. At that time, you're making passive income. When you're actually able to, make money in your sleep. That's called passive income. How people act passive to things. You're kind of like, oh, whatever. But that's how the passive income works. What we do is we show you how to make a trade income, how to make extra incomes trading, right? And then you do that withdrawal, put that withdrawal inside of another account that's going to be generating you, 20 to 30% interest on your money. And you got to kind of think about this interest on your money the same thing as you would as why people are scared of credit cards, right? Because credit cards, you pretty much don't be scared of credit. No, that's a total another conversation. But the reason I'm comparing it to that, because you want to think of it like how the wealthy think. The wealthy think of getting us to pay interest on their money. So that's why they came out with the credit card, right? So the credit card is there to actually where they can get 20%. Where we paying interest on them 20%, right? The same difference. You gotta transition your mindset from the consumer mindset, right? The consumer mindset is, use your credit card, pay back the bill, yada yada yada. But in order, you can take money off that credit card, and then there's the infinite banking nugget I'm gonna give you, because you can actually take money off of that credit card and put it inside of an account that's gonna generate you more income, and then you can pay back that credit card with the actual interest that you're actually getting on your money. That's a actually wealth nugget as well. So you really actually got a bunch of wealth nuggets just at the beginning of this video. So if you see any value in this video, like, share, and comment, because and subscribe to the channel, wherever you're watching this at, right? But at the same time, we're gonna get into, you know, the basics of what you can look for in trading. You as a beginner trader, you want to first get your trading view account. You want to get a trading view account so you can actually review the actual charts, right? Then you want to get a broker to put your money in so you can trade. Now, whatever you want to trade, right, that's up to you. Whatever you want to trade, that's up to you. If you want to trade binary, if you want to trade stocks, if you want to trade, stock options. And I need y'all to understand there is a difference between stock options and binary options, right? Stock options are you're trading stocks and they have option trading, right? And people get that confused with binary options. So binary options is what I'm going to show you in a few. It's similar to binary to stock options, and it's similar to Forex. It's almost like a in between, right? Where you're putting puts and calls in like you would do on stock options, but it's not stock options. So I'm going to actually show you how we was actually able to profit on the news today, just by knowing when the news is hitting. I'm gonna show y'all when the news is gonna hit, right? This is how we know when the news is gonna hit. All right, this is how we know that the news is gonna hit. Check this out. So this is something called forexfactory.com. If y'all want to get forexfactory.com. So forexfactory.com comes out with all the news, all the news headings, red folders, orange folders. Right here, we looking for the red folders and the orange folders. So this is how I know that a big move was about to happen. Boom, this is a trade nugget right here, This is what you really need. This is not all you need, right? I'm just giving you the minimum basics of, how I knew that it was about to be pumping volatility into the market. So CPI is customer price index, right? This is the customer price index. So the customer price index is actually a news heading. So going jump into the chart. Remember I tell y'all about tradingview.com. You need to get tradingview.com. So this is tradingview.com, right? And if you take my class, you actually can get the strategy on how to actually get to get able to get this entry right here. You know, how it's actually able to profit into the markets today. And this is on the Forex side, right? But I'm going to get you to look at the binary side of it. So when the CPI hit, this is the actual candle right here, you know, that we were getting into for the buy, right? For the put or the call or the up or the down. You see, there's an up and a down on this broker. There's an up and a down on this broker, right? And as you can see, GBP USD. You need to get into take my beginner classes so you can know what that is. You know, I'm not gonna go over what that is, and I'm not gonna go over that these are candlesticks, right? Because see, there's more things that you have to know. But this is how I know if you know how to get into a up or a down, put or a call. You know, these are gonna be ideal, right? These puts and calls are going to be ideal when you're getting into the markets, right? When you're ready to get into that trade. When you actually learn the beginning stages of trading, right? And I could teach you the beginning stages of trading, but you just have to be ready and willing. And once you make that money from trading, I'm going to show you how to actually, funnel into other things that's going to make you more money, whether it be a broker account that's going to be getting you 20%. Whether it's putting inside of a life insurance policy that's going to be getting you, 11 to 15% according on how the market is actually performing. Because I actually am a financial advisor. I am your favorite financial advisor. I didn't open up with that, but I'm your favorite financial advisor now. So that feels good to say, as far as, helping people with their finances and showing people that I have access to these different type of accounts. But yeah, whenever you watch this video, wherever you watch this video, just click the subscribe button, click the like button, comment below, that you found value in this video. Because, I'm giving out free nuggets today just because it's raining, and I've already made my quota today. And, I was going over this pocket options. I'm going to go over the transactions on pocket options not pocket options, but just option trading. Pocket options is actually a broker that you can use that you can actually use to actually trade binary options. All right. So if you go to trades, you're actually able to see what trades have been trading. What is transactions? Go to transactions. All right, but you really want to look at, you really want to go follow my Instagram, Trade Junkies Investment Group, because I'm actually going to go live on there. I'm going to break down different infinite banking strategies. I'm going to first break down what infinite banking is, right? And then I'm going to show you the different strategies that you can use that I've been using, throughout these years, whether it be crypto, whether it be Forex. You can use all these asset classes, to actually generate income and generate passive income as well. And show you how to actually generate that passive income, right? And then when you generate that passive income, these are like statements to, real estate agents. When they see that you're getting paid monthly, $500 to $1,000 monthly just by putting it in a certain account, right? They're going to say that those are assets, so which means you're going to be able to pay that loan back. So, and that's why I say credit is not bad. You still have to have income. People say credit is king, cash is king, and credit is queen, though. You still need both of them for everything to work, for everything to rotate, right? All right, so I only trade one time a day, and I only want to make $200 to $1,000 a day, because $200 a day, for a year is six figures, right? Six figures or more, but that's just the minimum. Today I made $200 a day. I made my minimum, but it's only because I'm waiting for a withdrawal to come out. Once that withdrawal comes out, I'm going to run this account that I got that's in there right now. I'm going to run that money up to at least $25,000, right? And then I'm going to withdraw 15,000, and then I'm going to recirculate the money, right? This is what we do. We recirculate the money. So, I may not have cash flow right now, but then my money is tied up in the assets and it's actually making cash flow. See, I need y'all to understand that. Just because, what they leverage the credit, right? And then they save the cash. Leverage the credit, save the cash, right? And when they're saving, what I mean by saving the cash is you're putting that cash inside of an asset class that's going to be getting interest on it. It's going to be getting you 25% interest, you know. And I actually threw a stock class, and it's actually at the link in my bio as well. That stock class is going to show you. That's pretty much a one-on-one with me on how to set up those different asset classes, right? And that's going to be key because you're going to be paying, the low amount of $75 just to get that one-on-one. But then you're actually going to be able to actually help you set up the broker account, actually show you how to do the deposit in the broker account, and actually show you what asset classes you need to put that cash into, whether you want to get the 20% on your money. But, I can talk about this financial literacy stuff all day. This video is probably super long right now because I could talk about it all day. I've been talking about this for about 10 years plus, been in the banking industry for 6 to 7 years. As I got out of that, started getting into trading and actually helping people with their govern their finances, right? So I'm gonna go to my trades, right? And we're gonna go to close trades. All right, so this right here, right? This right here is what the binary, of course, looks like. All right, you can get into trades over here for 3 minutes, 5 minutes, 4 minutes. It all goes by how many minutes. Those minutes are up, that the time is up, you make money, right? Or you lose money. You see where these blanks are? This is what I leverage right here. I leverage $300 to make $501, right? Because you get percentages on your money. You get percentages on this $100, percentages on that 130. If I would have, and look, those are what I lost. So when I lose, guess what? I don't trade that day, right? This is in your trade plan. This is the beginning of trading. I don't get back in that day, and then I recalculate my next move. So my next move today was a $300 trade, right? Which means I profited $501, which means I really made 200 and something dollars, right? And so you see how I calculated that? So you really have to, be disciplined. First thing, to be a successful trader, you need to be disciplined, right? You need to be consistent, which means you need to be trading every day, or if not every day, every week, right? And then you need to be consistent, discipline, consistency, and discipline, consistency. Man, this discipline and consistency what I got for y'all right now. To be honest, I can't really think of the third one because just like I say, I be spitting this knowledge all day. So subscribe to the channel. Like and share and comment on this post, and make sure you tag somebody below. If you watch to the end of this video, tag somebody below that would need this information, that will love this information, and contact me and let's get you started today. I am Jeremy Glover, your favorite financial advisor. Peace.